Ma'am, 50 rupees. Excuse me, ma'am. I think that I have seen you somewhere.
You must have seen me. I often kill people in anger. And then my picture gets printed on the newspaper. You must have seen me somewhere there.
Come on, ma'am. You must be kidding. Why will a girl like you kill people?
Hey, I'm telling the truth. Excuse me, have you seen him somewhere? Please look at him properly. You must have seen him. Hey, stop! My bag.
Now this purse is mine.
Thief! Thief! Somebody stop him! Stop!
But you have run enough. It seems there's a lot of stuff in this purse. If you get away with it, then it will be like winning a lottery. Have to show the magic of Chavanni to this girl now.
Please give me that bag!
Oh God, you're making me run so much. Oh God, stop. Do you want to kill the kid or what? Oh God, I told you to stop.
Stop!
Chavanni, now you are gone.
What happened? Is the road ahead blocked? Look, kid, there is no point in running anymore. Return the bag to me. Give me that bag back or else I will give you such a tight slap that all your teeth will come out. Give me my purse back.
You will break my teeth, right? These are my teeth, okay? They are not some weak person's heart that will be break just by one hit. Hey, hidden and tired people, come outside. Hey, you don't know me at all. I rule all over Mumbai. Hey Chintu, tell her about me. It seems that you are new to Mumbai. Hey, why are you blushing? Tell her no.
Yes, madam. He's Chavanni sir. He rules all areas of the city. The whole Mumbai is scared of him. He's the Don.
Hey Danger, just look at her. She's giving us that look. Go and give us some medicine. Hey, he's not just dangerous by name. He is actually dangerous in real. If you talk so much, then the knife which you can see, he will stab you in your stomach. He has killed 25 people. If you stay here for a long time, then he will kill the 26th one. Do you see the scar on his face? Danger, come on, show her. Do you know how he got that? He got into a fight like this. Listen, I'm losing my calm right now. Do not move forward or else I... Hey Danger, She has put us in danger only. I'm not a don at all. And I'm also not danger. Look, even this car is fake. Think of us as kids and please let us go.
Come on, give me my bag. Give me the bag.
Hey, what is going on here? Huh?
They are children from the slums. They must have stolen or something. That's why some issue must have come up. Catch them, sir. Why didn't you catch them?
Hey, come here. What is your name? Hey,
Constable sir, wait. The kids are very good. They have not done anything. I was asking them for the way and they were just telling me that.
but ma'am, you should be careful. You shouldn't trust these kids from the slums.
Nobody can be trusted, alright?
Okay, ma'am, then no problem. Hey, come on, go home.
You wanted money, right? Why didn't you say before? What was the need for stealing the purse? Here, take it. Anyway, it's not my hard-earned money.
Keep this safe and return it later. What, madam? You could have said this before. You made us run for no reason.
I want to take a lane.
What lane are you talking about? You buy the whole colony.
Not that lane. I want a watch.
I want to also have burger and that too from that shop. I'm going to go and have kebabs made by Jamal brother. That too with lemon. Amazing. Go on, go. Go and live your life.
Keep this as well. Your t-shirt has become very dirty. Get a new one. Now you people have got the money, right? Then why are you following me? Have you brought some knife again to scare me?
Hey Chavanni, how did she get to know that we were following her? Does she also have a third eye like Mahadev? That too in her back? Oh stupid. Mahadev's eyes were in front, over here. Madam, are you new to Mumbai? Look madam, Chavanni believes in taking from one hand and giving from the other. Now you have saved us from the police, gave us money, so it is our duty as well to help you. Now come on, tell us. Tell me, how can Chavanni's chiller be of any help to you?
Chavanni, chiller, what?
Oh, Chavanni means me, and these are my guys, chiller.
But why do you feel that I need help?
Now that only you will know about it, right? I saw that you were getting scared of the police. I thought that you must have done something wrong. And people who do something wrong are the same as me, right? So, tell me, how can I help you?
You all live here?
We all live in the heart of Mumbai.
Where are your parents?
Mumbai is our mother. And she loves us a lot. And no idea about the father. But yes, whoever tricks us, we make him our father.
You are saying correct.
Not saying correctly, he's speaking correctly. Say. What do you want?
What do you mean? What?
Oh, I said it in Marathi. What do you want?
Oh. Have you seen this man anywhere?
You don't worry. Wherever he is, he will be found. In 10 minutes, you will have his entire information at your fingertips. Hey, listen up, you people. Enjoying for no reason? Look, friends, I have lost my mind. And I have some work with you people. I am sending a man's photograph. Tell me immediately wherever you see him. Don't worry at all. Come on, friends.
Hey, what is this? Hey, what you have done to the house?
What?
What happened, Jintu? Oh my god, you have cleaned up the entire trunk. I had written Gambler Sir's number on it. Everything is now erased. What is it? You have messed up the whole house in 10 minutes. Let it go. I've got the hero's full biography. I have a friend called Pakya. He was saying that he passes from the 3 lights every day in a big car. He has told me the number of the car. Number of the car 5805. He gives 100 rupees every day to Pakya. He was saying that he is a very good man.
Where is it? Where is the 3 lights?
He don't even know this. It is below Malabar Hill. In front of the governor's house, the 3 lights are there. It is right there.
It means that he lives in Malabar Hill. Can you 3 take me there, please?
We will take you. But first tell me one thing. What is going on with you? Has he cheated on you? Pakya was saying that he is a very good
I have
person.
told you to not ask too many questions. Just take me to that address.
Yes, we will take you. Why are you getting agitated? Friends, come on, let's go to 3
Yes,
lights.
let's go.
Look, this is that hero's house.
This house is exactly the same as Shimla's house. I know this house very well. Dogs are being guarded by dogs. But no matter who guards you, nobody can save you from me.
What are you thinking?
What are you doing, madam? Your head would have just got hurt right now.
I love you, Arohi. The work for which I pretended to be in love with Arohi, got married to her, got her trapped in my love. I have only loved you in my life. I got married to you, took the vows with you, put the vermilion on your head. Only this is the truth and everything else is a lie, everything is a show-off. This is who I am, the real Deep Raichand.
Love and destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.